Hello everyone. So look, Amazon FBA, the actual platform is great for selling stuff. But do you know what it's not good for? Tracking profit. It is a nightmare. They've got nothing integral inside the machine of Amazon that tracks your profit. So you have to do it yourself. So if you're a new seller, if you've just started and you're struggling to work out if you're actually making any money, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, I'm going to show you how to track your profit. So as you can see here, I'm on the seller board demo here. Now this is what I'm going to use to show you how to track your profit. You can get a 2-month free trial below, something that I've been using for around 4 years now. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So firstly, we got the dashboard. We've got the dashboard here. So you've got today, yesterday, the month today. You've got the, let's move my head down here a bit. You've got today, yesterday, month to date, this month forecast, and then last month. But within the panels there, what you can also do is have a little breakdown here. So when you're a new seller, I've felt the pain. You know, you sell these products, and then some reprices, for example, have got like a random profit there. But usually, what you're seeing is just a gross profit. What you actually need is your real net profit, and that's what Sellerboard gives you here. So it connects to your Amazon account, and it goes inside the Amazon account, and it gives you everything here. So for example, when you send via UPS and you've got a shipping cost, it will deduct that shipping cost here. When you've got if you send an FBM package cost, then it will deduct that here. If you've got advertising, it will deduct it here, and the Amazon fees, storage fees, etc., it deducts it here. Okay, so you're actually left on every single day, every single yesterday, and even the month, a total of how much advertising you've spent, the shipping costs, and everything like that, and it gives you the total of how much you've actually made. Not some BS thing that, you know, people would like to think they make. The actual net profit, because you cannot master what you do not measure. You need to know exactly how much you're making in your business so that you can start to improve your business. And that's not it. Not only do you get the panels here, you can also scroll down here, and it's going to show you every single product. So you can start looking at your best sellers, your reasonably good sellers, the amount of units you've sold. And if you scroll over to here and click more, you can actually go like that. And you can look at the Amazon fees there, and it shows you how much in storage fees that you've spent on that particular product. It shows you the cost of good, shows you a net profit on the total product sold there. So you've made £153.64 for selling 29 items there. So then you can start to break it down and figure out how profitable that item is per unit. You can then scroll down and do this to every single one of your products. So it's quite an interesting thing, you know, rather than just blindly, you know, wondering where your money's coming from. It gives you a good breakdown for every single product here. So this is a very valuable tool. If you want to go a little bit further, even, what you can then do, and by the way guys, click the link below and go onto the demo yourself to have a little look around before you get the 2-month free trial there, just so that you can have a little work around yourself. There's another thing you can do here, is going on to product there, you can type in your cost of good here, and then you can actually start doing it by product or by batch. So you can actually go onto here, and you can figure out how much you're making on this per reorder. Because sometimes you're reordering a product and it costs you £4, sometimes it costs £5, sometimes it costs £6, for example. What you want to do on here is, if you reorder it and it's a different price, sometimes that can be a little bit of an accounting, bookkeeping nightmare. But it's all good as long as you can whack in the price here. Whack in the updated cost of good, do it by product, by batch, by date there, and then that will update that just for that period, and it won't change the cost of good. Okay, so that's quite a nice little thing there. Looking further onto the tool here, you can also look at expenses. So we've got the warehouse rent there you can put in, for example, the virtual assistant you can put in, consulting, for example. And then what that's going to do is then deduct all that from these panels here. So then at the end of the month, let's look at last month, for example, we got the net profit there, that, which is after all of these costs have come off. Yeah, after all of these costs have come off. So that's cool. We can then look down here onto the PPC. So if you're looking at your profits and you're thinking to yourself, oh yeah, we made good profit, but I want to make more profit, and a lot of that's going on PPC, you can start looking into this, and you can figure out how much you're actually spending on the PPC in relation to the orders that you're getting and the ad spend and everything like that. So that's cool, but that's a bit more advanced. I'm not going to go into that too much at the moment, but you can track the PPC here as well. Moving down, this is when you actually figure out the money back section, and this is where you can actually start to make this not only track your profit, but this app can pay for itself many times over. And I know this because I've done this as well, so I've actually used this for a long time. And this also got a money back section in Sellerboard, so without not just tracking the profit, but if you want to increase your profitability, you should be making sure you're getting the reimbursements owed to you by Amazon. So this tool pays for itself, this software pays for itself time and time again, because you can chase reimbursements owed to you by Amazon that more than likely would not have been returned back to you, refunded, reimbursed back to you if you don't chase them, because they're not very good at refunding you. So things like lost and damaged items, you know, if they get returned back to you and they get lost and damaged, or if they're warehouse damaged, or if there's FBA fee changes and they haven't told you about it, then this is where you can do this stuff, guys. So how does it work? You know, you go down here, you download the report like that, and then you contact seller support with a template, add the report into there, hit send, and then every single week, if you're a sort of size seller that I am, we get hundreds of dollars or hundreds of pounds back, depending on if you're on my UK or USA account, reimbursed straight back to us. Okay, now that's money that, once again, Amazon would have tried to steal from you, would have tried to keep, not steal, but they would have been maybe disingenuous, dishonest, and they would not have told you that they owe you this money. So it's essential that you're doing this report every single week, minimum once a month. And as I say, this is built into Sellerboard as well. So not only are you going to be tracking your profit, but you're going to be making, the tool should be making you money. This software should be making you money just from the reimbursements that you're going to be getting back from it. So guys, that was a tutorial of Sellerboard. That was a tutorial on how to get how to track your profit as an Amazon seller. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video.